For just 5 cents a day, you could save this puppy. She won't go hungry tonight, and she won't die. She won't be left outside where the wolves will eat her. She'll have something to play with. She'll have something to look forward to. She's never seen your face, but she knows that you can help her. She's sad, and she needs a home, because she's a poor little defenseless puppy. So instead of saving kids in other third world countries, you should buy this puppy. She needs a home. Hers is sad. Help me, please. Buy me. Buy me. I'm hungry. I need a home. I'm going crazy. I like to do flips. So for only 10 cents a day, you could save this puppy and her brothers and sisters. Give generously. Come here, puppy. Make a sad face. Sad face. Puppy. Puppy. Sad face. Sad face. Come here. Sad face. No, but she's playful and you should buy her because she's a purebred border collie. And there's a lot more puppies that we have available. And they're on our website. And she's so cute and lovable. And you just want to take her home and eat her up. Hi, puppy. And she's gorgeous. And we have red ones, too. We have red ones and black and white ones. And you should buy them, because they're cute and cuddly and they'll love you forever. And she loves to spin around in circles. No! And she just pissed on the bed.